So I have the AC turned on, set to 60 degrees. Outside temperature 71 degrees. But our vent is only reading 80 degrees or 81. Huh. Something's not cooling. 10 psi for AC. That's a bit low. I guess we need a recharge. (2008) Infiniti EX35. We're adding refrigerant to the AC system. The refrigerant that we need is R134A. Now when you buy a recharge kit, make sure you get one with a gauge. It doesn't matter if it's analog or digital as long as it has one. That way we can monitor the pressure in the system and we do not overcharge the system. Let's start by turning on the engine. Then let's put the temperature in its coldest setting and maximum fan. Here is the AC high pressure valve. Now the low pressure valve is located underneath this panel just by the driver's side by the firewall. So let's open the access panel. This access panel has two locking tabs at the bottom. Now press on the locking tabs inward and pull up to open the panel. And there is your low pressure valve. Start by removing the cover of the low pressure valve. You will know that it is the low pressure valve because there's an L on the cap. I moved the camera on the side so you can have a better angle of the low access port for the AC. Now let's connect our AC recharge kit. Snap it in and it should lock in place. Now that's the pressure that we have in the AC system. Let's start by shaking our can for a few seconds. Then we're going to depress the trigger for a few seconds, like 3 to 4 seconds. Now alternately, we're going to shake the can and depress the trigger. At the same time, we're going to alternate pressing it with the can. It's in 12 o'clock position and 3 o'clock position. Then shake again. Put it on 3 o'clock and depress the trigger. Then 12 o'clock and depress the trigger. And as you can see, the pressure is starting to rise. Now depending on the outside temperature, the normal pressure should be between 30 to 50. But for now, we're just going to put 30 and we can add it later if it's still not cold. Okay, so our pressure is at 30 right now, which is my base minimum. So let's check the temperature inside the cabin. We have our AC on. Temperature is set at 60 degrees. Outside temperature is 79. And our thermostat is reading at just slightly above 40. So we're good. A very big difference when we started. Now that we're happy with the temperature, let's put everything back together. So press on the connector to release. Put back the cap or the low pressure valve. Then put back the cover. Lock it in place. And we're done.
3 days later.
Okay, just want to add this clip because we actually hit 99 degrees today. I have the AC at 60 degrees and our thermostat is reading just above 40 still, so around 45. Thank goodness I decided to recharge the AC last week. It's still super cool in here. And that is how to add AC refrigerant on our 2008 Infiniti EX35. Thank you for watching.